Hey babes, today we'll be doing a beginner leg workout using basic equipment at the gym. This workout will target your entire lower body from your glutes to hamstrings to quads and inner thighs as well. For those of you who are completely or fairly new to the gym and are ready to venture out to the machine side, this video is made for you. If you're ready to take that leap but are still getting familiar with the machines at the gym, please see the links in the description to watch my step-by-step tutorials on how to use gym equipment. For all of these exercises, if you've never done them before, I always recommend starting with the lightest weight possible, even if that means just body weight, and once you can do 12 reps comfortably with good form, increase the weight. For today's workout, I recommend using a weight for each exercise so that by the end of each set, you could do about 3 to 5 more reps. We'll start here, and as you continue to get more comfortable with the exercises over time, then increase the weight. If you're ready to slay your next leg day, give this video a thumbs up and let's get started. First up, we're going to be doing back squats on the Smith machine for 3 sets of 12 reps. What this means is I will do 12 squats, rest for a minute or two, and then do 12 more squats, rest for another 1 to 2 minutes, and then do another 12 squats. 1 squat equals 1 rep. Squats engage your entire body to perform the movement, but focus on the entire lower body. When doing this exercise, position your hands right outside your shoulders with the bar right behind your shoulders. Before each rep, inhale, and as you reach the bottom of the squat, squeeze your glutes to push your hips forward to bring your back to starting position, exhaling as you do so. Squat as low as you can without rounding your lower back. Your feet should be positioned so that your knees point in the same direction as your toes as you reach the lowest point of the squat. For my full How to Squat on the Smith machine breakdown, please see my video linked down below in the description. Rest for 1 to 2 minutes between each set. Next up, we have kneeling leg curls for 3 sets of 12 reps per leg, which will target your hamstring muscles that run along the back sides of your legs. Starting with either leg, contract your hamstring to lift the weight up, bringing it straight under your booty if you can. Control the weight as you lower it back down rather than just dropping your foot back down. Exhale as you bring your heel to your hamstring and inhale as you lower your foot back down. Switch legs immediately after and do 12 reps on the next leg. Make sure to keep your elbows on the rest and the front of your body flush with the cushion on the machine. The cushion on top of the heel of your working leg should always be touching your foot as well. Rest for 1 to 2 minutes between each set. If you don't have this machine at your gym, feel free to do seated or laying hamstring curls instead. My whole entire outfit is from Honor Active. I'm wearing the effortless seamless leggings in the color khaki, size medium, with one of Honor Active's oversized t-shirts on top. And these leggings are my all-time favorite leggings. I have them in probably almost every single color available because they are simply the best. They hold you in and sculpt your lower body so beautifully and are flattering all the time, even on the days you may be feeling a little bit more bloated. You guys know my support link to shop is in the description and pinned comment as always if you ever wish to spoil yourself a bit and pick up anything from Honor Active. Thank you guys for your love and support. I appreciate you. For our third exercise, we have leg extensions, which will target the quads on the front side of your legs. We'll do 3 sets of 12 reps with a 1 to 2 minute rest between each set. For these, make sure to adjust the machine so that behind your knees comes right to the edge of the seat and the cushion on the front of your legs is right on top of your feet at the bottom of your shins. Starting with knees bent, contract your quad muscles to lift the weight up. Lower the weight back down nice and controlled. Exhale as you extend your legs out and inhale as you lower your feet back down. Your booty and back should be touching the seat at all times. If you find that your booty is coming out of the seat when you lift your feet up, consider lowering the amount of weight you're using and see if that helps. Finally, we'll be working the insides of our thighs with hip abductions, which we'll do for 3 sets of 12 reps. Starting with your legs out as far as they can comfortably go, with knees bent at about a 90-degree angle. Push your knees in towards each other as close as they can go. Bring your legs back out and repeat. Exhale as you contract your hip abductor muscles that run along the insides of your thighs to push the weight together, and inhale as you extend your knees back out. And that's all that we have for today's beginner total lower body workout, my babes. If you enjoy this style of training, make sure to follow me on Instagram and look up for my Black Friday workout guide and one-on-one coaching sale, which is going to be epic. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this breakdown and let me know in a comment what other kinds of videos and workouts you'd like to see from me. Have a great workout and I'll see you guys soon.